In this video, I will be showing you how to modify collection. First, go ahead and click on the Add Remove Recipes icon. Next, click on Manage Collections. Select which collection you would like to modify. Click Assign. Then go ahead and remove some recipes that you no longer want in that specific collection. Click back on Manage Collections. You're going to then actually delete this collection and then recreate it. Add to collections, click apply, close, and now you will have a modified collection.